What's up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker review. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Fearless. But before we get into that, you guys that are first-time viewers, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because that goes a long way and it helps your boy out tremendously. So make sure you hit that like button, and leave a comment down below if you got anything that you want to discuss or just want to say, shout out, whatever. I'll reply back. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter at @_Trice for updates and stories or whatever, tweets, whatever, all that. Follow my daughter's YouTube, Mila Tube for kids. If you have kids, I'm trying to help build her channel up, so you guys make sure you head over there and subscribe to that. You can find that down below in the description as well. And subscribe to me and my brother's podcast. We should be coming back during the summer with new content, so make sure you subscribe on Apple Podcasts and follow us over on SoundCloud to give a listen. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So as I said in the beginning, I am going to be reviewing the Fearless Air Jordan 1. To give a little backstory of the shoe real quick before I show it off, the Air Jordan Fearless 1 is just basically a sneaker that it's based around Jordan's transition from the University of North Carolina to the Chicago Bulls. That's pretty much it, hence the colors of the shoe. So let's go ahead and get into it. Bam, bam. Like I said, the colors, it's pretty much simple. It's the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Bulls color blocking up front on the toe box, and on the heel you have that Tar Heels color, and then you have a black Nike swoosh. You have that Jordan emblem outlined in gold, I'm guessing, in black. On the bottom, you have that Chicago Bulls colorway. White laces, they give you like 3 pair of laces, so in total you have 4 pair of laces. You have the black, where are the other ones? Where? Yeah, blue and red. The white laces already in here. That Nike Air, on the tongue. Damn, I can't think. On the tongue, that Nike Air is in red and the label is in white. That's pretty much it, you guys, of the shoe. The shoe is all patent leather. I love patent leather shoes. I don't know what it is, but they feel so nice and they just pop. Like, look at these. But with the Jordan ones, you got this card right here, Michael Jordan sign, well, his signature, I don't think he signed, but it says limit light fears are often just an illusion, right there. And on the back you got fear crossed out, and you got the box right here, not your normal Air Jordan 1 box. And then the paper as well has that writing, limits light fears just an illusion, on the paper and all that. So that's the shoe, you guys. And on the inside you have Fearless throughout there, scratched out. I'm not going to take out the insoles. I never understood that when I watch YouTube videos. I really don't need to see the insoles, but I guess some people just need to see it. But that's the review, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, like all my other sneaker reviews, I give the on feet last. So thank you guys for watching. I already did the whole social media, subscribe and all that, so you guys don't have to hear that at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get into the on feet. Swag Kicks them out. Peace.